States outlook. A warm welcome if you're on YouTube. And it is, yeah, it's the November outlook. And there's several things to consider here as we push into the latter half of autumn. Some key drivers in place having different influence as we push from one season to the next. When you're entering a colder season, the atmosphere has a different response with the same drivers as you had back in the summer. We've had a very progressive pattern through the course of the past 6 months, and I think that is going to continue as we push into the month of November. This was the CFSV2 forecast for the month of October. Very, very warm across the board, as you can see. In reality, this is how October is shaping up to be. So the point is, don't take the models too literal as we go into the month of November. Cold in the east, very warm up across the northwest, opposite of what we had in September. So that's where it makes the forecast a lot more difficult, because we've got these wild swings in temperature. Warmer than normal, record-breaking warm in September. It's now colder than normal in the Great Lakes and the eastern half of the country here. It was colder than normal during the month of September. Now it's warmer than normal across the west during the month of October here. So as we push forward, I think we're going to see a progression. We're going to have a major shot of cold into the eastern half of the United States as we leave October, begin November. This is the CFSV2 for the month of November, very similar to what it had in October. Big ridge over most of the country. We're going to have an undercutting storm track. You can see here, these are the temperatures showing very warm. Is it going to be that way though? Some of the modelling is indicating a negative Arctic oscillation and negative North Atlantic oscillation, which in turn wouldn't really support this. I think we're going to have spells of warmth. We're going to have spells of cold, similar to what we had during this month. This is the Canadian for the month of November. Noticing here it's showing a positive here, quite a strong positive, up in the eastern parts of North America. A ridge, or should I say a trough, into the Pacific Northwest, extending southwards here. And this is the temperature anomalies here. It's showing colder than normal, really from the northwest down to the southwest, and across underneath, warmer than normal across the north, indicative of a strong El Nino. I think we're going to see a back and forth this year. I think we're going to see a ridge, then a trough, ridge, trough. That is the type of setup, but I think we're going to have progressive through the month of November. We could see some snow in the east by the end of this month, but also I think we're going to have spells of snow. I think it's going to be a colder month in the west, but I think there's going to be a back and forth further east you go. Thanks for watching. Do check out the written November forecast, which will be released shortly after the video, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.